Finally, under other matters, the chair would like to discuss an important topic for the consideration of the members and call for the motu proprio inquiry on the same if the members deem it proper. Before we start our discussion, allow me to extend my sincerest gratitude for your presence today despite your busy schedule. Maraming salamat po. Unahin na kaya natin members yung ating sandali lang naman yung ating motu proprio. Since we have the members who are present here today, baka mag-alisan kayo mamaya So at least maaprobahan na po natin yung ating pong next topic for next week. Siguro I think the secretariat have given the copy to the members through the Viber, and you have seen the copy of the said resolution. This is about a 260,000 excess debts that we experience in this country. Normally po, ang mga namamatay lamang po sa ating bansa mula noong 2002, and I will be showing a graph coming from the Philippine Statistics Authority, and sa DOH, meron din po silang mga copies that have been submitted, datas, and we are shocked to find out that there were 262,000 deaths on 2021 alone. And after that, 2022, nagkaroon pa rin ng 67,000 deaths. And these are all unexplained deaths, no? And that's a reason why this committee is, I think, motu proprio, we will be investigating this issue. So, pwede bang pakita muna natin yung graph? Hindi, asan yung yung kopya ng Oo, dapat print. Ito po, naka-ready na po yung ating pong motu proprio investigation. If I may read, for the members, resolution directing the Committee on Public Order and Safety to immediately conduct an investigation in the 213,984 excess deaths in the Philippines in 2021 based on data from the Philippine Statistics Authority, as the possible cause of such deaths threatens public order by putting into question the overall safety and efficacy of the response of our healthcare system during the time of the pandemic. So gusto ko lang po makita ninyo. Ito, share nga ito, Ano lang to, dalawang slide lang po itong pakikita ko para at least for your perusal, Ayan po, mga kasama. Ito po sa Pilipinas po ito, Kung mapapansin nyo po sa ibaba, ito yung year 2020, 2021, 2003, 2009 hanggang sa 2022. Makikita nyo po ang death rate natin is 4.2, 3.8, 0, 1. Ganyan lang basically ang ating death rate. Pero pagdating po ng 2021, magsimula po yung intervention po natin ng ating vaccine. Nag-increase po tayo ng 43.2% excess deaths. Sabihin ng iba, hindi, baka gawa ng COVID. Ang COVID po, yung 47,000 ang recorded na COVID. Aside sa 213,984 excess deaths. Normally, dapat ang excess deaths lang natin ay tumatakbo ng ganitong rate lang. Pero after nung injection natin ng 2021, nag-increase po tayo ng 43,000. And this is happening all over the world. So pakita natin yung sa 17 bansa na the same ang nangyari po. And this is being hindi po siya, well, basically hindi po ma-explain. And even the statistics that are being gotten from the DOH are not complete yet. I don't know what's happening. So ito naman po sa Argentina, makikita po natin, ito rin yung kanilang tinatawag na death rate. Pagdating po rin ng 2021, ayun, tumaas na rin po. Ang intervention ng vaccine din po ang nagpataas noong kanilang death rate. Ganito rin po sa Australia, the same kind of data, even if we will be looking into different news and kanilang mga videos that are being presented on YouTube, makikita nyo po itong kanilang same pattern as we have right now. Sa Brazil, ganun din po, makita po natin itong, ito po yung tinatawag na all cause mortality, yung kulay blue. At ito pong vaccine, ito pong kulay orange. So, ayan, sa blue, pagdating sa Chile, ganun din, excess deaths nila. from 2016, ganito lang ang debts nila. Pagdating ng 2021, pung! Ganito rin po sa Colombia, ganito rin po sa Ecuador, sa Malaysia, makikita nyo, noong 2021, after the rollout of vaccination, pang! Umakyat yung all cause of mortality. From this level, pang! Tumaas. New Zealand, ganyan din po. Sa Paraguay, pareho rin po. Dito sa Peru, pareho. And Philippines, ito po yung atin. Makita niyo po yung death rate natin. Pang. Pagdating ng rollout natin ng March 11, ito po ang rollout natin, yung vaccine po natin, yung kulay orange at yung kulay blue, ito po yung tinatawag na all-cause mortality and need to be investigated. So, I need a motion for the motu proprio investigation on this resolution. Any motion for conducting an investigation on this matter? Congressman Bosita.
Mr. Chair, I move to conduct motu proprio
Yeah.
for this issue.
Yes.
Mr. Chair.
So there's a motion to conduct a investigation on this issue concerning the 213,984 excess deaths, and this is duly seconded. Any objection? Hearing none, the said motion is now approved. Okay, so we'll be